Hello and welcome. This time we're going to look at how we can create a recording using PowerPoint. So let's get into it. Having your PowerPoint presentation open, once you're in the record tab, you typically begin with from beginning. So let's have a look at that. You click from beginning and PowerPoint would begin the presentation and you can start your recording here. So everything laid out. As you can see, I have my camera turned on and it has it as a little window here at the bottom, and it records the presentation and your webcam at the same time. And you'll be able to use the different tools here to annotate and mark up the slides as you go along. So let's have a look at that. So let's get the recording underway. And your PowerPoint counts you in. So this is Risk Assist Q4 sales performance. Let's have a look at that. In the last quarter, we saw sales jump in November due to Black Friday sales, and you can see an increase here to upwards of 15,000 in December due to the holiday shopping. So overall, I think we're doing really well in Risk Assist, and keep up the good work, everyone. Thank you. So once you're done with it, I hit stop, and it's a 34-second recording you can see up here. The next step here is actually to hit export. Name the file what you feel it should be, and yeah, let's leave that as an MPEG-4 video. It's great for YouTube, and hit export. So give it a sec also to export the content. The export speed will depend on your computer performance, so just give it a sec. Once you're done, you can hit exit, or you can view and share your video immediately. I'm going to click exit to show you the file that was produced from the recording. So it was in documents. As you can see here, yep, it's here, and you can have a quick look at it. So there you go. And you can see the annotations will come up shortly. And that's it. Your video is ready to go onto YouTube and upload to your channel, or if you need to share it with your co-workers or your friends, it's in a format that's easily shareable MP4. So yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you this time. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button. It also keeps me motivated to produce more content like this. That's it. Thank you. Bye.